Game 6 ng Ginebra at Rain or Shine. And sa first possession pa lang, si JJ na yung kumuha kay Brownlee. Pero just a simple misdirection, iwan na iwan para sa first points ng ating Game 6. Tapos ito yung ayaw mong mangyari if you are Rain or Shine. Yung mga turnovers kasi nagiging opposite yung playstyle na lumalabas. Ginebra na yung tumatakbo and no transition defense. And early pa lang to Pero for Rain or Shine, babawi sa kanila si Adrian Nocum, hitting his first 3-point shot of the game. Tsaka siya na yung puntahan ng Rosa offense. Maybe Coach Yang learned from the last game na let Adrian cook kapag mainit. Kasi last game nilabas siya nung mainit Pero Stephen Holt, back-to-back outside shot. Siya naman ngayon yung tagasalo ng mga empty possessions with shot clock winding down. Ginebra is really grateful with players like this. Then, sagutan ng puntos yung dalawang import, JJ off the roll for the jam. Then si Brownlee attacks for the layup. Pero ito yung gusto mong makita sa Ross. Maging aggressive si Johnson kasi kailangan naman talaga. He can bully his way naman over Japet Kaya dapat hindi siya maging hesitant. Tumira pa ng outside bomb. Pasok. Pero to end the quarter, RJ Abarrientos, what more can you say? Ginebra is adapting to his style of play and he is producing. Crossover move for the 3-point shot. Sa second quarter, sorry for all the Beldre fans, me also, but I have to do this again. Sorry, this quarter was Karakot looking like playing for Ginebra. Ito, whole series natin pinag-uusapan to, yung ball denial kay RJ. Hindi ganyan dumepensa si David, inaasawa niya talaga. Pero si Andre, all the space, sige, bigay niya. Pero make sure you can stay still. Kaso wala, resulting to an easy layup papunta kay Jeremiah Gray. Sa offense, 4-pointer Mintes. And after that, simple move only from RJ. Iwan na agad si Karakot, going all the way for the 2 points. Here, sa defensive man rotation, he is always giving the opponent space. Gray for the 3-point shot. Back on offense, ito yung role niya. Dapat tumira siya ng outside para sa spacing, pero pinahirapan niya pa yung sarili niya by attempting a contested shot over Brownlee Mintes. Here, another man rotation na lapses. Libre si Scotty for the 3-point shot. Then, inaatake na siya on isolation. Another puntos na naman para sa Ginebra. It's like 16 points ang binigay ni Karakot for Ginebra. And to end the half, wala na akong masabi. MVP RJ Abarrientos hitting tough shots from the outside. Tapos meron pa sa mid-range. Ano pa ba? Grabe. I'm lost for words with the game of RJ. 15-point lead at the half para sa Ginebra. But in the third quarter, the answer of Rain or Shine is to go to their import, going all the way. Kahit Mintes, siya pa rin naman for the 2 points. And sa next possession, you gotta love the energy and passion. Nocum and Brownlee refusing to give up the ball kahit may pito na walang bad blood, just two players wanting it more. After the jump ball, ito yung namimiss mo sa Rain or Shine, yung kanilang transition game. Mamuyak goes all the way for the Pectus. Another thing na Ross basketball is yung ball movement tapos outside shooting. JJ to Nocum to Jornard, corner 3-point shot para sa Ross. They are back in the game. Pero yung mga basket talaga ni Ralphko, halos lagi mga pamatay sunog, 3-point shot. Tapos yung offensive rebound para sa N1 basket ni Brownlee. Last time, galit yung mga tao kasi mainit si Nocum tapos nilabas. Here, mainit si Mamu pero nilabas. Though, maybe it was the right pull kasi Anton Asistio hits a 4-pointer para dumikit ulit ang Ross. Though Mamu is back, pero RJ Abarrientos will cook once again. He just need a little space to pull his shots. Different scheme na dito sa third. Kung kanina self-creation, ngayon naman off-ball. Mala Steph Curry na to, corner 3-point shot. Then, hand off, tas konting space. 3-point shot na naman para kay RJ. 8-point lead going to the fourth dahil naka 4-point shot pa si JJ to end the quarter. Sa final period, they still letting RJ Abarrientos do his thing. Here, tough shot na yan. Pero mainit Wala na atang tough shot para sa kanya ngayon. Dahil sa bigat ng gravity niya, malilibre si Japet Aguilar for the 2 points. Here, nag-start tumakbo si Clarito. Pero biglang naging ayaw ni Johnson. This is not Rain or Shine basketball. Naiilang ba sa pressure? They let the playoffs change their game. Swerte na nga lang tong basket ni Clarito Here, two-man action by Brownlee and RJ. konting iwan lang, enough na yan attacks the basket, and one para kay RJ, and ayan na rin yung icing on the cake, MVP. Ginebra is back in the finals. 4-2 ang series, and takeaways natin dito for Ginebra, yun nga, inadapt nilang si RJ yung system, not RJ blending on the system. Ito yung basketball niya. Tsaka on defense, hindi siya yung pabaya kahit alam nating mismatch siya or point of attack siya, kasi he is trying his best to play defense. Hindi siya nagpapabuli. Kabaliktaran naman sa kanyang matchup na takeaways natin for Ross. Hindi na nakabalik sa second half si Karakot kasi yun nga, yung defense niya. He is not trying, he is not showing na kaya niya. Yung outside na nga lang sana yung iaambag niya, hesitant pa siya. Kaya malaking kawalan talaga yung Lemeti for them na nagpupush ng tempo, may downhill, meron ding outside, meron ding defense. Next, Jalen Johnson is not hungry in terms of his body language. You gotta show, man, na you want it. Nawala sa Ross yung transition play nila kasi kahit pwede naman, nagsisettle sila to a half-court set. Dala ng playoff atmosphere, ng playoff basketball. Kasi yung mindset nila, you need a sure shot. Pero hindi sila ganun Hinayaan nilang mabago sila. But yung silver lining ng Rain or Shine, Adrian Nocum, they also need to embrace na he is also a system, not a player na pang-rotational pa rin. Bibigyan mo pa rin ng chance yung pang minuto niya. Gets nyo, di ba? Napatunayan niya na he is the man. Let your franchise build on him. Yes, I understand the equal opportunity system ni Coach Shem, pero they need to. Baka maging former players lang nila yan dati na mawawala after makuha yung groove sa Elasto Painter. So, GG's everyone. Happy yung mga kabarangay.